guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Melissa here. So last week I received a parcel, which is this parcel from the CircleDNA. I am so excited that I'll be showing you guys exactly what you can find in this parcel. So if you haven't heard of CircleDNA, as the name suggests, it's actually a DNA test service where you have to submit your saliva sample using their provided sample collection kit and then deliver it back to their lab at Hong Kong for analysis. So there are a total of 4 different types of services they provide that you can choose according to what you need. So a little backstory, I actually had a thyroid removal surgery back in the year of 2017. So since then, I do get quite skeptical and pay a little attention on my diet and stuff like this. I've always wanted to try taking supplements, but I just don't know what to take. You know, there are tons of supplements in the market out there. So how do you actually know what your body really needs, right? So thank you CircleDNA for sending this kit to me because I personally have been dreading to try this out myself. So without wasting more time, let's unbox this parcel together with me. So what you can find in this parcel is a FedEx envelope because they have already included a complimentary shipping and return services for you. Yep. And also this CircleDNA kit. So this is the Circle Premium Kit, which will be generating a total of 500 plus reports in 20 different categories consisting of like diets, nutrition, dementia, stress and sleep reports, physical traits, your personality traits, common health risks, family planning, gender traits, and all these services, right? You can just Google CircleDNA to find out more. Okay, let's unbox this! Wow! Say hello to you! And they give you a bracelet here. Let's see. Oh, and message from the CEO and co-founder. Then you have this DNA collection kit. Collect your sample. Okay, so you must not consume any food, smoke or chew any gums for 30 minutes before you try this kit out, okay? Alrighty, so first of all, you have to install the CircleDNA app in your phone from the App Store, then create an account using your registered email address. So when you're done, you should be able to receive a verification code in your mailbox and you just have to key them in accordingly. So next is create your own password. Okay, I'm skipping away this part. And then congratulations, your account has been successfully created. So here comes the terms and conditions where no one reads and just agree at the end. So yes, just do it, just agree at the end and then set up your profile by creating your name, date of birth and yada yada. So yep, that's how you set up your profile. And scan this QR code and it's all done registered. Oh my god, can you see my hands are shaking? 因为我的手在抖，我觉得很紧张。Okay, so here is the tube containing their stabilizer liquid, where this liquid is supposed to stabilize your saliva, which I don't know what it means. Anyway, and this sterilized flock collection device, something like a cotton bud tube thingy. Okay, I'm gonna start swabbing now with you guys. I'm quite nervous eh. Okay, let's do this. First, open here. Remove it. Oh my god, my hands are really shaking. Okay. This is a tube. Better not talking much and start swabbing. Kevin 是不是这样子? Wait. I'm gonna call Kevin in here because I'm really scared that I'll mess this thing up. Okay, 我拿出来了. Okay, he's behind the cam, by the way. Like that, right? So I'm just gonna swap, you see correct or not, okay? Okay?
Okay.
Okay, I think I'm done. So this is a tube. I'm gonna put it inside.
And break the line.
And then I'll break it. Yeah, like this. Okay. Okay, then I'll screw it back here. Then I'll just have to shake 10 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. To make sure that the tip are completely covered with the liquid inside. Then they provide you a sample return bag. You are supposed to put this tube inside. To put this tube inside this sealed bag, just remain this paper patch thingy inside. I don't know how. I think I'm just gonna. Yeah. Actually, what's the reasoning of having this paper thing?
Paper is for absorbent.
Okay, absorbent pad. Okay, then I'm just gonna seal it up. Okay, I'm going to place this sealed sample back in this DNA collection kit. Then I'm just gonna put this collection kit into their provided FedEx envelope, and then I'll ship them over tomorrow. And I'll just have to wait 18 working days for the results. Let's hope for good results, okay? So I'll be leaving a code in my description box below. You can use my code for a 20% off your purchase from the CircleDNA website. Okay, so if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share this video out to create more awareness among your friends and family. Follow me on my IG, subscribe to me if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell so you'll get notified when I post my result. Okay, till then, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye!